Question for you. Why do celebrities and influencers and Netflix documentaries sound so compelling and convincing with their nutrition and diet advice, while dietitians and other health professionals don't? Besides the fact that many of us have the personality of a wet mop, the main reason is the Dunning Kruger effect. And so it's illustrated here: knowledge in the field along the bottom left to right and confidence from bottom to top. This is a cognitive bias that affects all of us, where those with little expertise assume they have superior expertise, which is shown with the I know everything point on this chart. This happens because they don't have enough knowledge on the topic to know that they don't have enough knowledge on the topic. Or said another way, the more you know on a topic, the more you know you don't know. And so therefore you wouldn't speak in absolutes or in a way that sounds like you know absolutely everything about the topic. And that's one of the reasons why influencers, celebrities, documentaries, they sound so compelling and convincing with their diet information when it is so far from the truth.